I know it sounds weird, but dirt is not just dirt. Soil comes in all different types, and depending on what your plant needs, you may need to choose a soil that's appropriate for that specific plant. I went with cactus, palm, and citrus potting mix by Miracle-Gro for my dragon fruit cactus. I'm growing this indoors because it seems to like the indoors better than the outdoors in my area. And I went with this soil specifically because it drains really quickly. This is a light, airy soil. If I chose a heavier soil, something just that I dug out of the backyard that had a whole bunch of clay, my dragon fruit would not drain quickly enough and would start to have root issues. So let's take a quick look at this back here. It's got instructions on exactly how to use this soil, how to water it. Lighting? Oh, very nice. All right. Certified by the Mulch and Soil Council. Good. So I've been growing this dragon fruit for months, easily months, and it's doing great in this soil. It's very light. It drains quickly, it dries out quickly, and that's exactly what this cactus really likes. So I'm happy with the soil. I hope you consider it for your succulents, for your cacti, for your palms. This has been a good choice for me. Hope this helped you make your decision.